more simultaneous equations. This other question, which I'm going to do, are constants or letters rather than numbers. So first equation, c squared y equals cx minus d, which I call equation 1. And equation 2 is x equals y plus d. Well, again, we have to use substitution to replace x from equation 2 into equation 1. So I'm going to write again from equation 2 sub, oh, I mentioned sub. Could you remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can receive a video as soon as it's released and you can enjoy a new lesson every day. So from equation 2 sub x equals y plus d in equation 1. So I'm going to write equation 1 down. C squared y equation 1, and I'm replacing x as y plus d in it. So that means my equation gonna be in terms of y now, because all x been now substituted as y plus d. Removing the bracket, c squared y plus cy equals cy plus cd minus d. Moving cy to the other side, c squared y minus cy equals cd minus d. Let's factorize y. Give me c squared minus c. And here I can factorize d as well to give me a c minus 1. So y equals, dividing both sides by c squared minus c, you have dc minus 1 over c squared minus c. But I can factorize the c from the denominator here. Factorizing a c produces the same bracket as the top. That means I can cancel the bracket from the top and the bracket from the denominator. Therefore, y equals d over c. Again, sub y equal d over c in one of the equation, say equation 2, because it's easier and less terms. Equation 2 is x equals y plus d. Y we found to be d over c plus d. In order to combine these two, I give d a denominator 1. Common denominator would be c. Divide on times. Divide on times. So factorizing a d would be 1 plus c over c. There's nothing I can cancel. So that would be the answer for as easy as that. So you can see just following the normal routine of either eliminating or substituting. In this case I use substitution because it was more appropriate to solve simultaneous equation, whether the constants are numbers or letters. If you find the content of this lesson useful, please share it with your friends, anybody who needs to learn more about simultaneous equation or any topics that I teach. I try to make these lessons as enjoyable as possible. So leave any comments regarding this or any future topics. Till next lesson, which would be another simultaneous equation. Bye.